Hocus pocus, locus focus, abracadabra, alakazam. Spinning stories in the sand, a never-ending plan. Scribble, scrabble, bubble, babble, oh what a day. Lost in thought, caught in the fray, come with me. Beautiful echoes in an empty hall, singing la la la, soaring eagles high above, a feathered free-for-all. Dancing shadows in the twilight, a mesmerizing spree. Lost in the rhythm, just you and me.
So that's probably it for today. I've got a bunch more spots I need to patch. I accidentally cut through some vital areas, I would say. I decided to go with sandstone again since this is breaking apart so easy anyway. If I break stuff off, then it's just gone. And I think it'll look pretty cool. And I didn't plan it out like usual. So I'm gonna glue it, clamp whatever I need to clamp, probably get back to it in a day or two. And then we'll get to the detail. Just give you a quick little look before I start gluing stuff. There's that right there, I almost cut all the way through. That, I don't know how I did that, but, and then that foot has a little gouge out of it too. So, right there, we have a little gouge. Right in the side. These cracks are just gonna be here. If they get any bigger, this one I might fill. But a lot of this is still gonna get cut off because I need to do the fur. So, I mean, it is looking pretty badass.